Yeah, one thing I hate the most, talking to people.
Yeah.
Absolutely
Sucks
hate
so much.
it. Hi. Okay.
This is just bloopers that I like to add in.
He
Right.
does.
Yeah.
He does.
It's just so fun.
Bloopers at my extent, you know what I mean? Just how does this very non-introvert but introvert person like to talk to people? He don't. How's he do it? Car inspired. Remember that one thing we talked about?
Oh yeah.
The dumbest smart person I've ever met in my life.
Yeah, you keep bringing it up. Wish I never said it, John. Fuck.
I would say we can put it on a t-shirt soon.
Yeah, that ain't no shit.
All right, so here we go. You ready? Well, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I went ahead and pulled the trigger. Ordered me this car about 4 months ago. Ordered it 6/28 of 23. I've actually had the car almost a week and a half or so. I got it on the 3rd of October. Been keeping my eye on them, watching them, checking them, you know, seeing if this was going to be the right car for me. Ford was doing some weird stuff with their F-150s as far as like the oiling system, belt-driven oil system, or belt-driven oil pump, DOD, cylinder deactivation, and I was very timid to buy one of these cars because of that. Luckily, I work for the Ford dealership, as you guys know. If y'all keep up with the channel, I've said that in the previous videos before, but before I ordered this car, I got on the workshop manual when Ford finally opened it up to where I could see what the insides and outs of these cars, and I found out it was pretty much like an S650 build. A little bit different similarities as far as obviously the body structure and the way the car's built and the way they're put together. Before the comment section blows up, yes, I know it's an overpriced S550, but at the same time, I bought it for me. I didn't buy it for anybody else. I've never had a brand new Mustang. I guess I could say if I had a 23 Mustang, I probably wouldn't have purchased one because essentially it is the same car, but it's really not at the same time. The body lines, the complete driving experience is completely different. I actually was going to buy a brand new 23 before I bought this car or ordered this car and was damn close to pulling the trigger on it. I'm glad I didn't. The car, I don't care what anybody says on the comment section, they're slower than the 550. As far as I've seen, I've been seeing the 650 go way faster out the box comparison from stock to stock than a 550 to a 650. The 650 is the daddy. I mean, it is a faster car. So when I bought the car, I had intentions to just kind of keep it stock, not going to touch it, and I'm still in the same realm right now. The car is so well put together by Ford that I didn't really feel the need. After driving the car, I've only got 185 miles on the car as it sits right now. And the 185 miles I put on the car, I haven't had any inkling to put anything on the car at all. Besides the mid-pipe, which will show you right here that it's the only thing I want to do to the car. Take the stock resonator out, make it sound a little bit better, and then the exhaust clips you'll see later on, you'll see that the car does sound a lot better than an S550 ever would, in my opinion. My plans for the car as of right now, currently, is to keep it pretty much the way it is right now, resonator delete only, and drive it and enjoy it. Actually utilize warranty for once, which is something that's very uncommon for me to do. Typically the first thing I'll do is I'll knock the warranty right out the list, especially if y'all seen my Whipple Charge F-150. It only had about 10,000 miles in that truck and completely ex-nayed warranty right out the window pretty much almost immediately. Backstory again, also back to when I was ordering the car, I spec'd it out, as y'all guys know, the red 3 valve. Pretty much built the car the same way as y'all see in the videos. The walk around of it, it's got the red interior. It is an 810 automatic. I wanted it to pretty much replicate my 07 3 valve and match it as best as I could with the newer style car to kind of make, you know, a grandma and granddaughter kind of theme going on. As it sits right now, I have, like I've said before, I have no desire at all whatsoever to modify the car, no superchargers. It is going to happen in the future. There will be possibly a Whipple. I'm still on the fence with Whipples or possibly twin turbo, depending on if we get tuning available, what's going to be available for the car at the time when I'm ready to actually modify the car. And when I am ready to modify the car, y'all guys will know. But yeah, guys, a quick little video of the new car to the channel. Give me some comments in the comment section if y'all guys want to see some more videos of it. I know the S650 chassis and the platform is a new thing on YouTube, so everybody's been jonesing to see them. So if y'all guys want more video, more content of this car, keep me posted. Let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next one. Peace.